I'm Chelsea and I'm one of the volunteers that does steward and work on the mini rail. I do make sure that everyone's spread out with the COVID and just make sure that everyone's having a good time on there. I enjoy having the respect of the other volunteers. They're very, very helpful when I need them. They'll cover if you just have to nip off to go get a drink or something when it's really, really hot weather. But they're very respectful. The customers that come in need questions answering, and I'm there to kind of help them out on where to find places and stuff. I only live in the village, so when I moved here 10 years ago, I'd always wanted to come up and volunteer, but I've been coming here for quite a while now. Very local for me. They call me up when they need somebody to cover at late notice. I have got a couple of favourite engines. Thomas and Percy are my absolute favourites, as well as them working on the N7. That's great fun to do. But the diesels, it would have to be Toby. The reason I got involved was it was to build up my confidence with my learning difficulties and to kind of get me out because I don't go out a lot. So coming here, it's definitely a wonderful support that I have from these guys here. It is a great place to come, even if you're coming from far away. It's a great place to come, and it's got a lot of history. You learn so much coming here, but I can't always remember all of the history of it. I've learned everything, but it's so much you can't always remember it.